Hi, it's Brian Shannon from AlphaTrends.net. Today is Tuesday, April 27th, 2010. Let's take a look at these markets. The S&P 500 last week, we were watching this trend line as well as that 20-day moving average. That's the blue line in there that's rising, and it had successfully held that twice. So that will continue to be an important level for this market to hold above in the intermediate term. That is the 20-day moving average. And look, just to frame it on a bigger time frame once again and see the bigger picture, we have, of course, the 2007 high to the 2009 low. A two-thirds retracement would get us up to the scene of the crime, as I've been calling it, where we had broken down from at about 123.5. So the market seems to be heading for that 123.5 level. It does appear as though maybe it's just getting a short term a little bit tired here. We had seen new highs on Friday and Monday. We had seen a break back below that short term what had been the range last week is 118.50 to 121.50. So we broke back below that. I think there's nothing to be concerned about as far as the longer term trend line or intermediate term trend line until maybe we break that 20-day moving average in the trend line. So it appears that as though we're still very healthy. Same would go true for the Nasdaq 100. The Qs pushed past the 50 level briefly, and maybe having a little bit of trouble there. Maybe we'll need to see the market digest the gains. One group that does look to continue to be strong is the semiconductors. They had broken out couple weeks back on Intel's earnings. The semiconductors have a very bullish looking weekly chart, and we look at the daily time frame. We can see it's been consolidating up in here. After the close on Monday, we had Texas Instruments report earnings, and you can see on the after hours trading that 27.30 is where it was. So it doesn't look like the Texas Instrument earnings are going to be looked upon as an excuse to sell the semiconductor stock. So Texas Instruments maybe not the most bullish looking one. It's still very bullish, but possibly encountering some resistance. I do like the way National Semiconductor looks here. That I think you get a little bit further strength. That is, we can get maybe back above the 1550 level and hold above there. That could get going back to the upside. Another name I would continue to keep an eye on this week is the casinos have been strong, and Boyd Gaming, symbol BYD, is up near an important level here that it's had some trouble at over the last year and a half. If it can push up through this area where this sloppy trend line has drawn, so let's redo that. But if we can get up through about that $13 level, then I think you're going to be seeing it push up towards about $15 a share. Earnings for this company are due on May 6th.